What if I told you there's one car that has survived global recessions, fuel crises, new competitors, and shifting technology, and still remains a top choice? The Honda Civic isn't just popular, it's unstoppable today. We'll explore the real reasons why the Civic still dominates the worldwide car industry. 1. A legacy built on consistency and trust. When you look at the longest-lasting cars in the world, one name constantly appears: Honda Civic. Since its launch in 1972, the Civic has built a legacy of consistency. It didn't become dominant overnight. Instead, it earned trust year after year by doing what few cars could do: deliver quality without compromise. From the early days, Honda focused on engineering precision. The first Civic arrived during rising fuel prices, yet offered outstanding efficiency. People who bought it realized something profound. This car didn't just perform well, it stayed reliable for years. That trust passed through generations, creating a strong base of loyal buyers who stick with the Civic because it has never given them a reason to switch. This long-standing trust is a major foundation of the Civic's dominance today. 2. Unmatched reliability and low maintenance costs. Reliability is the Civic's strongest superpower. It's common to see Civics running smoothly even after 200,000 or 300,000 kilometers. The engineering behind the Civic ensures durability in every component, from its engine to its transmission and suspension system. Honda's philosophy is simple: build engines that last, and they have consistently delivered. Mechanics around the world often say Civics come into the workshop for routine service, rarely for major breakdowns. Parts are easily available and surprisingly affordable compared to many rival brands. This makes the Civic attractive not only to budget-conscious buyers, but also to people who want long-term stability. When you combine low maintenance with high reliability, you get a car that becomes a lifetime companion, not a short-term purchase. 3. Fuel efficiency that saves money. Year after year, fuel efficiency has always been one of the Civic's biggest strengths. From its earliest versions to the modern turbo and hybrid models, the Civic consistently offers strong mileage while still delivering power. In a world where fuel prices rise unpredictably, a fuel-efficient car becomes a necessity. Many buyers choose the Civic because it provides excellent average without sacrificing performance. Whether someone is commuting daily, driving long distances, or using the car for ride-hailing work, the Civic helps keep fuel expenses low. Honda's continuous improvement in engine technology, like VTEC and now advanced turbocharged engines, ensures that the Civic always remains ahead in the efficiency race. This long-term saving makes the car more appealing than competitors who offer similar looks but less efficiency. 4. Design that evolves with every generation. One reason the Civic remains relevant is its bold and modern design. Each generation looks fresh, contemporary, and appealing. Honda doesn't recycle old designs. They innovate. The Civic features sharp lines, sporty curves, wider stance, and premium interior touches that make it feel more upscale than its price suggests. Inside, the seats, dashboard layout, and infotainment system give a premium experience that feels like a higher-priced sedan. This constant evolution keeps the Civic attractive to both older drivers who appreciate practicality and younger buyers who want style and personality in their cars. Design plays a huge role in dominance, and Honda nails it every time. 5. Performance options that make the Civic a true driver's car. The Civic isn't just about practicality, it's also a car loved by enthusiasts. Honda offers different trims that cater to different types of drivers. Standard Civic, ideal for everyday commuting. Civic Sport, for drivers who want a more engaging ride. Civic C, combining practicality with performance. Civic Type R, one of the most iconic hot hatches in the world. The Type R in particular has a global fan base. It has broken track records and has been praised for exceptional handling, power, and engineering excellence. The Civic's ability to offer both daily comfort and thrilling performance is rare in the compact car segment. This versatility attracts a wider range of buyers, contributing to its industry dominance. 6. High resale value that protects your investment. A major advantage of owning a Civic is that it holds its value over time. People know Civics are durable, reliable, and in high demand. so resale prices stay strong. Even a 5 to 8-year-old Civic can sell at impressive prices because buyers trust the brand. This gives Civic owners financial confidence. Instead of losing value quickly like many other cars, the Civic proves to be a stable, long-term investment. High resale value is not something you find in every car, and this quality sets the Civic apart from its competitors. 7. Safety features that compete with luxury brands. Modern Civics come equipped with Honda Sensing, one of the best safety systems in its class. These features are designed to prevent accidents and protect the driver and passengers. The system includes collision mitigation braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, road departure mitigation, traffic sign recognition. By offering such advanced safety technology at a reasonable price, Honda ensures that even first-time buyers and families can afford a safe, feature-rich vehicle. Safety ratings for the Civic consistently rank high globally, strengthening its reputation as a dependable family car. 8. Global popularity and cultural impact. Few cars have the cultural influence the Civic has. For decades, it has been a favorite among tuners, racers, daily drivers, and families. It appears in movies, video games, and car communities around the world. In countries like Pakistan, the Civic symbolizes style, status, and performance. Many people see it not just as transportation, but as a lifestyle choice. In North America, the Civic is a top pick for young drivers. In Asia, it's considered a mix of luxury and practicality. This universal appeal makes the Civic more than a car. It's a global icon, strengthening its dominance year after year. 9. Technology that keeps the Civic modern and relevant. Honda ensures the Civic always stays updated with the latest technology. Recent models feature large touchscreen infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, digital instrument display, wireless charging pads, smart entry and remote start, high-quality audio systems. These additions give the Civic a premium feel, making it competitive even against higher-priced cars. Honda keeps improving the interface, ensuring a smooth, user-friendly experience. Technology is a major selling point for modern buyers, and Honda makes sure the Civic stays ahead. 10. Perfect balance of price, quality, and features. At the end of the day, what truly makes the Civic dominant is its perfect balance. It offers great design, strong performance, excellent mileage, high safety, low maintenance, long lifespan, high resale value, modern tech, and yet it remains affordable compared to many competing models. This combination of value and quality is rare in the industry. Buyers feel they are getting more than what they are paying for, and that's the biggest reason the Civic continues to be unbeatable. Conclusion: the Honda Civic's dominance isn't a coincidence. It's the result of decades of consistent engineering, innovation, reliability, and customer trust. From efficiency to performance, from design to safety, the Civic excels in every department. It is a car for students, families, professionals, and enthusiasts. A car that suits every lifestyle. A car that continues to evolve while maintaining its core strengths. And that's why the Honda Civic still dominates the car industry today and will likely continue to do so for years to come. Like, share, and subscribe for more.